Hello from Stone Town.
But during Arabs, this stadium here was used for tennis.
For tennis?
Yes.
So it's a stadium.
Yeah, sure. This stadium was used for tennis, but now this is very popular during festival. When we have reggae festival, we have biggest festival in Zanzibar, especially for ending of the month, like December. We have a lot of festivals that take place in this place.
Okay.
So they keep a stage over there, and people were chilling. So we call it all before. In Swahili, we say ngome kumi.
Okay.
So that party and that party is on the same. But they distinguish because that one used for enjoyment for some music, and also we had a railway there from Stone Town to the Ngambo. But here people were playing some tennis and having some. Now we're using this place mostly for during the biggest festival in Zanzibar. People come here, enjoy with it music. When you hear about reggae music, yes, it's taking place on.
Okay.
Yeah. We have very popular festival whereby the tall one.
Yes.
The shortest one was made up by Portuguese, as I tell you, that the Portuguese were came here before. I was from India to study primary school. When he came back here, he stayed for a few hours, for a few years. Then we had the Zanzibar Revolution, 12th of January 1964, whereby all group of people here, British, Oman and Indian people were leaving because we had a revolution. So this is where, and at the time, whereby Freddie Mercury was left.
So what was his role in Zanzibar Revolution or something? What was his role?
Sorry?
Musician.
He was a musician and also he had a lot of movies. Yeah, he's very popular in Europe, like Michael Jackson.
Huyu anakula hadi chapati.
Anakula kila kitu, vyake ananuka huyo.
While he was already starting to build that. But when he came back, we found the local people already finished to build. But they keep something like up to us, like vice versa, because of poor technology of the people. But once he came back, because he was good engineering, he said it's okay. Because it is strong and it will not break. So when you go inside, we can. And also his heart, and then they bring it in Zambia because he took much time there in Zambia. So this is the place where my slaves were living. Because I tell you there was time British were trying to stop the slave trade, but other people they reject, so that's why they were finding a hiding place to ensure nobody can understand that the slave is still here. So because nobody is scared because you are slaves. You see? And I see that chain, that's the really chain happening in this. If they were tied then, when they are here, maybe
Where are they
And if you get sick,
most of the people they died here because they stay ladies and females also bringing of martyred people. Because some people will say, oh, my mom from Zanzibar, my father from Oman. How they got it? Because they were Arab. How come you can sleep together like this, male and female, maybe, you know? It's like, yeah, life was crazy, but you see, you can't breathe well. Maybe for you, if we stay 1 hour, it's crazy.
Okay.
Very popular, biggest market recorded in Kunazini slave market. So slave trade was very popular business in Zanzibar, and that's the one of the reason why Oman came here. Yeah. Oh, that's Bishop alikuwa amezikwa pale nyuma kile kiti cha Bishop, lakini hawatuwezi kwenda pale kwa sababu ya kuna vitu vyao. Hapa kuna drums, you see drums here, and also the right pump organ for raise up the voice. Yeah, and that pump organ is from Europe. And you see the cross. Very fresh.
Daga.
Very strongest soup in the world.
You call it daga?
Maybe 10 chicken.
It's like, you know, and this is also we have masala. You know masala? Masala is a meat for barbecue.
Chili.
No, masala. This is for barbecue. Meat from where? Austria. Ah, alles gut. Ja. Willkommen. Danke. Aber das ist hier ist pilau rice. Commission for rice. Pilau. You know pilau?
Pilau.
Pilau
I think you
masala.
ate pilau today. Pilau is like a meat, you see, yeah?
That is pure saffron, eh? Germany is very clear, but Zanzibar is vinegar, not is clear. Okay?
It's pepper.
It was all at the spice tour.
Has a very good history. Zanzibar we had the shortest tour on the way. And some of them they were dying here and they were buried inside. So remaining during 12 January 1964, during the revolution, they left.
So this is the Forodhani market, and I think I'll come back later. There's a floating restaurant. There is a floating restaurant around here, and we have these moving boats also around. And this is where they do the jumping. This is where these guys do this thing. I found them. Wakaribishe.
Wanakuja, yani mkija mje wengi sana. Nakaribisha kwa high season fupi, low season iloisha na high season fupi inokuja hapo mbeleni kwenye tarehe 20 Mungu akijalia. Tunawakaribisha. Vyakula ni mingi, tena mingi sana. Kwa masalaba seafood ndio iko hapa. Unakuja na enjoy. Hapa tumeweka ni chakula ikae salama. Sije mtu akaja akasema yeye nimeenda nyumbani nimekwenda kuharika. Sio kweli. Hiyo kitu inapatikana kwa masalaba seafood.
So we'll come back later when they've set up.
Kutana na lobster hii plain na lobster meat hipo. I enjoy kabisa kwa masalaba seafood. Delicious zangu pizza, nyami chami changa, kuna matata unachotaka utapata.
Hebu rudia. Rudia.
Hapa Zanzibar pizza for Mr. Delicious, nyami tamu, hakuna matata unachotaka utapata. Kama kuna bata. Karibuni sana for Mr. Delicious.
Thank you.
Zanzibar.
Oh.
Mimi sitashaka kwenye mtoto wake. Simlitama yenyewe kwenye kikao.
La tatu.
Ile mkubwa pale 15. Ndio.
Tunakula leo eggs, minced meat. Hizi tuko nazo, hii naijua.
Ndio tayari.
Mbuzi hapa, tuna mshikaki wa bata, hii ni kuku. Hapa tuna papa, jodari, mzia, doaro. Hapa tuna changu samaki, tuna lobster mzima. Hapa tuna ngisi mzima, tuna pweza plain hajachanganywa na chochote. Hapa tuna chaza, tunasema konokono zile. Tuna
konokono hizi.
Tunasema konokono.
Unakula
kwa jina jingine. Hapa tuna prawns. Hii ni nyama ya lobster, ni huyu hapa mzima. Hii ni nyama yake ndio.
Mnatengeneza kama kebabs.
Kebab kama kuku hapa ndio. Hapa tuna ng'ombe, kuku, maini pamoja na sausage.
Beef, chicken,
liver.
Sausage, normal sausage.
French fries iko pale.
Nyama na faidi. Unaona kuna ile mea watu pa ngoma gani ni raha.
Ameumia.
Mandonga!
Mtu kazi.
Sugunyo. Unaijua ngumi ya sugunyo?
Anasema utake unapigwa, utake unapigwa.
Siaka staruka sasa hivi au siaka gani?
Ndio huyo.
Ndio huyo unakuwa unamwelekea. Ao. Ndio huyo unakuwa unamwelekea.
Ndio huyo.
Mandonga huyo.
Huyu ako fani huyo.
Hata ndio ukipiga uipati. Una 10 kwa ajili yako. Anakuja. Ah! Safi tu. Mmeduma leo ni akieni. Mwenyewe kila siku. Pana siku.
This is Stone Town in the morning. It's a bit rainy, but we hope by itatokea. Nimeamua kufanyia ile kitu. This is our last day in Zanzibar and we're going back to Dar es Salaam. So hopefully today we are in a different ferry. This one looks a bit old. It's not like the Azam that we used to coming to Zanzibar. This one looks more it is around 5. I want to go back to Mombasa, and I've been here since this is Tahmid lane to Nairobi. We have this Tahmid lane to Mombasa before 5, 5:15 and 5:30. So we are hoping that by end of day today will be in Mombasa and hopefully tutakuwa tumepumzika, but for now this is where our 2-week journey ends, and hope to see you in the next one. I was sick yesterday. I got seasick and it wasn't well, so I didn't do much. I just rested. I hope to feel better soon.
Kesho nasafiri tena. Tumekuja tu mara moja, tulipoahidiana kama utakuja. Jumanne nataka nirudi na wakili. Maana nilikuwa hayupo na singeweza kungoja.